Hello everyone. Today we will discuss digital techniques in fault calculations. In this, mainly we discuss bus impedance matrix for fault calculations. Okay, so let us come to the introduction. As we know that the symmetrical and unsymmetrical fault calculations we are already discussed in previous lectures. The network reduction method discussed there can be used only for very small systems. The actual power systems are very large. Therefore, a systematic procedure suitable for digital computer calculations is necessary. So for this can be carried out using Y-bus or Z-bus. Y-bus is the bus admittance matrix and this is used for load flow computations. For fault calculations, also known as short circuit studies, the use of Z-bus is preferable. As compared to load flow studies, the short circuit studies are simpler because a direct solution is possible and no iterations are required. Okay. So Z-bus or bus impedance matrix is very important for fault calculations, right? So come to the bus impedance matrix. Figure 20.1. This shows an n-bus passive linear network. The voltage of ith bus with respect to reference is Vi and the current entering the ith bus is Ii. Our knowledge of network theory tells us that this network can be described by the following set of equations. This is equation number 20.1. Okay. So in this V1, V2, Vi up to Vn, and this is equal to Z11, Z12, Z1n and so on, Zn1, Zn2, Zn and I1, I2 up to In. Okay. So this can also be written as V bus, that is equal to Z bus into I bus, where V bus is the bus voltage n cross 1 matrix, I bus is the bus current n cross 1 matrix, and Z bus is the bus impedance n cross n matrix. Okay. Now come to the algorithm for formulating Z bus. How can you formulate the bus impedance matrix? So an algorithm for formulating Z bus is described in terms of modifying an existing bus impedance matrix designated as Z bus old. The new modified matrix is designated as Z bus new. The network consists of a reference bus and a number of other buses. When a new element having self-impedance Zs is added, a new bus may be created. If the new element is a tree branch, if you remember a concept of graph theory in network analysis, then you remember the tree and link. So if the new element is a tree branch, or a new bus may not be created if the new element is a link. Each of these two cases can be subdivided into two cases so that Zs may be added in the following ways. So 4 ways. Number 1, adding Zs from a new bus to reference, adding Zs from a new bus to an old bus, adding Zs from an old bus to reference, and number 4, adding ZS between two old buses. Okay. So number 1, type 1 modification. Okay. Type 1 modification, addition of tree branch ZS from a new bus to reference. Okay. So here figure 20.2 shows a branch ZS connected between reference bus and a new bus Q. For this new branch, we can write VQ, that is equal to ZS into IQ. Okay. So from this equation, the set of equation 20.1 as in the previous slide gives the following complete set of equations. Okay. V1, V2, Vi up to Vq, that is equal to Z11, Z12, Z1n and 0. And finally 0, 0, Zs, I1, I2 up to IQ. Okay. Z plus old is an n cross n matrix. The addition of the new branch means the addition of n plus 1th row and n plus 1th column. एक रो ऐड हो गई और एक कॉलम ऐड हो गया. As seen from equation number 20.5 means in this equation, ZIQ, that is equal to ZQI, and this is equal to 0 for I equal to 1 to up to n, and ZQQ equal to ZS. In the last equation, this is ZS. So Z bus new can therefore be written as Z bus new, that is equal to Z bus old, and 1 row and 1 column. Okay. So equation 20.6. Now come to the type 2 modification, addition of tree branch ZS from a new bus Q to old bus K. Here figure 20.3, this figure shows this modification. The equation for the new branch is VQ, that is equal to ZS IQ plus VK. This can also be written as ZS IQ plus ZK1 I1 plus ZK2 I2 and so on, ZKK IK plus IQ plus ZKN IN. This can also be written as ZK1 I1, ZK2 I2, ZKK IK plus ZKN IN plus ZKK plus ZS into IQ 20.7. The equation for V1, that means first equation of set of equation 20.1 as in the previous slide, can be written as, under keeping in mind that new current at kth bus, that is IK plus IQ. Okay, so we have V1 equal to Z11 I1, Z12 I2 and so on, Z1n IN. This is also equal to Z11 I1, Z12 I2 and finally Z1k IK and Z1k IQ. Okay. So equations for V2, V3, Vn also get modified in a similar manner. When equation 20.7 is added to the modified equations for V1, V2 and Vn, the complete new set of equations that is given by equation number 20.9. So this is the complete new set of equations given by this equation, this number 20.9. So Z bus new is an n plus 1 cross n plus 1 matrix. So an observation of equation 20.9 shows that the Z bus new, this look like this. Okay, here Z bus old and 1 row and 1 column. ZK1, ZK2, ZKK, ZKN, Z1k, Z2k, ZKK, ZNK and last element ZKK plus ZS. Now come to the type 3 modification, addition of a link ZS between an old bus K and reference. Here figure 20.4 shows this modification. This case can be treated as an extension of type 2 modification as in the previous slide. Initially, let ZS be connected between a new bus Q and an old bus K, and then let the new bus Q be connected to the reference bus so that VQ equal to 0. So the new set of equation are given by 20.11. This is V1, V2 up to Vn, and this is 0, and Z bus old, and this is one row and one column. Okay. So if IQ is eliminated from the previous equation 20.11, the last row and last column of the above impedance matrix are eliminated. Then we have Z bus new, that is equal to Z bus old minus 1 upon Z kk plus Zs, Z1k, Z2k up to Znk into Zk1, Zk2 and Zkn. It's very important relation, type 3 modification. Okay. Now come to the type 4 modification, addition of link Zs between two old buses I and k. Okay, so figure shows the type 4 modification here. Referring to figure 20.5, the equation V1 can be written as V1 equal to Z11 I1, Z12 I2 plus Z1I II plus IQ plus Z1J Ij plus Z1K Ik minus Iq plus Z1N In. After rearranging this equation, V1 that is equal to Z11 I1, Z12 I2, Z1N In plus Z1I minus Z1K Iq. Equations similar to previous equation can be written for all buses. It is to be noted further that Vk that is equal to Zs Iq plus Vi. So here left LHS and equal to RHS. So in the left hand side, Zk1 I1, Zk2 I2 plus Zki II plus Iq plus Zkj Ij plus Zkk Ik minus Iq and so on, that is equal to Zs Iq plus Zi1 I1, Zi2 I2, Zii II plus Iq, Zij Ij plus Zik Ik minus Iq. After rearranging, we get 0 equal to Zi1 minus Zk1 I1 plus Zii minus Zki II and so on, plus Zs plus Zii minus Zik minus Zki plus Zkk Iq. Okay. So equation 20.13b as in the previous slide, along with similar equations for V2, V3 and Vn, and equation this 20.14c can be written in the following form. Okay, so here this is Z bus old and one row and one column. Okay, so 20.15 after type 4 modification. So eliminating IQ from above equation, then we have Z bus new that is equal to Z bus old minus 1 upon Z plus Zii plus Zkk minus 2 Zik into Zi1i minus Z1k, Z2i minus Z2k up to Zni minus Znk, Zi1 minus Zk1, Zin minus Zkn. So very important equation 20.16 after type 4 modification. Now let us take a numerical. Here figure shows a 4-bus system 1, 2, 3 and 4. Treating bus number 4 as a reference, obtain Z bus. Bus impedance matrix find करना है. So we start with the 1 ohm element between bus 1 and 4. This bus 1 and 4, this 1 ohm element. So type 1 modification gives Z bus equal to 1 cross 1 matrix. So this is 1. Now number 2, add the 1 ohm element between bus 2 and 4. 2 and 4, this element. Then type 1 modification gives this is 2 cross 2 matrix 1 0 0 1. Right. Now add the 1 ohm element bus 3 and 4. This type 1 modification gives the 3 by 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now let add the 1 ohm element between the old bus 1 and 2. Then type 4 modification between 1 and 2. See in the previous slide, 1 and 2, this element. So Z bus that is equal to Z bus old minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0. So after solving we get 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now finally add the 1 ohm element between the old bus 1 and 3. Old bus 1 and 3. This. Then type 4 modification gives the Z bus old, this minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 into 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1, and finally we get Z bus that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 5 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 5 by 8. So this is the final answer, Z bus. Okay. So thank you very much. Wish you all good luck.